Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy leaf, purse charm, or keyring. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. To make these easy purse charms, I'm working with worsted weight yarn with 2 strands, or you could use a bulky yarn or a chunky yarn. It doesn't really matter. And I'm working with a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now chain an additional 2. So that would be a total of 9 chains. In the 3rd stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next. Single crochet in the next. Single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet in that same stitch, and I'm going to work over my yarn end. Single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next 2, and in that last stitch, which is the stitch where all those other double crochets were made, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Find that chain 2, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and there's your leaf. Now we can just cut this off and cut a tail. Pull that yarn through like that. And I have a small container of wooden beads. I got them at the dollar store for $1.25. And I'm going to attach 2 to my yarn ends. So I'm going to thread my yarn ends into a needle and attach my wooden beads. Like that. And I'm going to tie a knot to hold the beads in place. Like that. And then it'll be ready to use as a purse charm or even on your keys. And now you can attach these to a key ring. I'm just going to tie a knot. Like that. And I'm going to thread the yarn ends into my needle and pass them back down through the beads. And that's how you can crochet an easy purse charm or key ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy key ring, and you can make it with the tassel or without. Get started. To make this keychain, you can use any size yarn that you like. I'm going to use this cotton yarn, and I'm going to work in 2 strands, so I first wound some off on a piece of paper, but you could use acrylic yarn as well. And I'm going to work with a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, and I'm leaving a fairly long yarn end. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. I'll leave that yarn end free, and I'm going to make 5 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert it into the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'm going to make 4 more double crochet in this ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's 1/2 of the heart. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the top of that last double crochet. And now I'm going to make 5 more double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, 1, 2. Now come right down and slip stitch into the ring like that. Fasten off. That will form the heart. And I've made myself a little sort of a needle with a little bit of a twist tie. I'll pass that on those 2 yarn ends and pass some beads on. And there are my beads passed on, and I've placed a ring in between the 2 sections of yarn, and I'm going to tie a square knot and just trim that into a short little tassel like that. And I'm just going to place a bit of nail polish on the knot just to keep it from coming back undone. To make the tassel, I wound the yarn around my fingers and cut off another little piece. Tie this into a bundle. Cut open the loops, trim them evenly, tie another piece of yarn just a little bit of the way down, and trim those. Thread a few beads onto the yarn end, pull one of the yarn ends through the tip of the heart, tie into a square knot, and then using a needle weave these yarn ends into the finished work. And there's the finished key ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.